Hello guys. We are ready to watch a game. But I have a message for the referee. Dear Mr. Referee, please understand that this is a big game. Players can be frustrated, coaches can be frustrated, fans can be frustrated. So please try by all means to avoid unnecessary yellow cards and red cards, early red cards and early yellow cards, because of those things are killing the game. So please try to balance the game and then understand emotions of players because of it's a big game. So try by all means to warn players to avoid unnecessary yellow cards because of those things are killing the game, guys. So please, you and your colleagues, offside must be an offside. A penalty must be the penalty. Please, guys, we are tired of unfairness things in the pitch. This is my message. We are ready to watch a game. I'm Mr. B on Charity Podcast. Re wena, ka wena, ntle le wena, ha ona rona. King, Saival.